There are very particularly festive features which are giving us a very good momentum across all our brands put together, be it, let's say, BCS or partnership ads, collab ads.
Festive is actually a great time in India to scale brands. One thing which we typically advise brands is don't think of Festive as only Diwali. Saw great response on Black Friday last year.
Insights on the festive season where we can leverage Meta as a platform and how to, leverage AI more towards fueling growth.
Reels is a major part of our ongoing strategy because we've seen that more and more discovery of newer brands and products is happening on Reels nowadays.
The brands can integrate the creators in their strategy in two critical ways. The first piece is understanding how creators are so native to the platform like Instagram. And the moment you use that as the insight, it becomes very simple to then ensure that you get visibility for the brand and as part of the feed or as part of your any asset that you have.
These could be macro creators, these could be micro creators. If you're a brand that operates across regions and geographies, they could be vernacular creators. So definitely consider that.